Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Racilio Silvia espresso machine. It had a major clog in it and a bunch of major clogs, and we did a tune-up to get rid of those, and we also replaced the pump. Usually, it's not uncommon for big clogs to cause the pump to go bad. So let's go, now the machine's looking great, let's go ahead and test it. See, I could tighten up my grind a little bit. It's going a little fast, but we're still getting decent crema. Most importantly, we have good flow. And we're just going to test the hot water. There's the hot water there. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.